as much as they can.
You also have to factor in na parang home court ng Ateneo.
Oo naman.
Itong Phil Oil Frying V Arena.
Oo.
Palakpakan pa lang, umaalog na. Villegas with a tip. Good reaction coming from Giselle Tan. Free ball given up by Ateneo. Back set for Villegas. Going for a drop. Contained. Backline attack. That will go out. At ito yung sinasabi mo, karamihan ng puntos ng San Sebastian galing sa unforced errors ng Ateneo Lady Eagles. At ito ang main gunner ng Ateneo, si Julina Labiano, who top scored for them with 9 points in their loss versus the Benil Blazers. Nice looking serve for Labiano, brings them closer to Ateneo. 6 serving 11 still here in the first set.
San Sebastian needs to be more aggressive at ilapit ang kanilang score dito sa Ateneo.
Stan going to the back line again. And once again, that ball will sail long. Maraguinot scored one earlier. Maraguinot trying to impose her efficiency. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V League.
Soft serve, but he's received.
And finally, Ateneo able to put that ball in. Counter coming from Baste. Giselle Tan. Push coming from Ateneo. Villegas with a quick 1 against 2 rejected. Sinamban likewise contained. On the back line, Labiano. Good dig by Ateneo. Cross court set. Longest rally so far. Sinamban second chance. Again contained. Down the middle. Madayag scores for the white shirts.
You know, they may have lost that point against Ateneo, pero may tamang ginawa itong San Sebastian eh. Ang sabi ni coach kanina, patama nyo sa kamay, huwag kayong matakot.
Oo. And of course, in that last point, I believe that Jamie La Vitoria, yung libero ng Ateneo, had 2 good digs to keep the ball alive and allow Ateneo to finish off that 12-point. Ateneo on serve. Kim Gekiliana. Net touch para dito sa Ateneo gives San Sebastian its 8th point, and now they're closer dito sa Lady Eagles. San Sebastian. Nika Mariel Dalisay is served. Nice floater for Dalisay. Tan. Going once again to Maraguinot. This time going for a high percentage look. Sinamban with a drop. Good luck. Labiano from the back. Maliwanag. Palo pa lang. Mahaba na.
Overcooked. And nakita rin natin yung trajectory ng bola.
Palayo.
Palayo.
Hindi pa baba. Ito kanina ko pa tinitignan dun sa warm-up, no? Pero nakita ko parang ika-ika si Bea De Leon kanina.
Yeah, and she was actually pointing that out, bago mag-protocol. May kausap siyang teammate. Sinasabi nga niya, parang may
nararamdaman, oo. Pero parang okay naman.
Hindi lang. Ganun mga bata.
Oo. Almiro with a free ball. San Sebastian trying to score off that back set. Villegas could not convert. Maraguinot once again.
And itong si Maraguinot really shining and making her minutes worth on the floor.
It's always nice when your players are ready when their number is called. And again, Tan setting up Maraguinot. This ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultrarado Ultra-Fast LTE for a happy family. Madeline Madayag for Ateneo. Dalisay pushing that ball in.
Finally.
Ahumiro just could not cover. Coach Ty Bundit wanted a call na outside sana pero maliwanag.
It was in. At yun ang unang puntos na nakuha ng San Sebastian.
Sa atake nila.
Na galing sa kanila.
Catherine Villegas for Baste. Attacking Ahumiro. Tan with a quick serve. Quick set rather for Bea De Leon. Net touch versus San Sebastian. Ateneo safely ahead at 15-9. Giselle Tan taking the place of Gia Morado.
Very big shoes to fill din itong si Tan, but right now I think doing well in filling in for Morado.
Excellent. Decision coming from Sinamban. Nakita niya, covered ng blockers. Coverage missing for Ateneo. Ateneo 15, San Sebastian at 10. Ultra fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999. Not a good service reception once again for Ateneo. May problema sila sa pag-receive kasamang Ann.
And yun nga, no, earlier bago itong larong to, I think that's the worry of Coach Tai. Nakikita niya ang weakness ng kanyang koponan ay yung service reception. That's why he has Valdez suited up para pwede niyang hugutin anytime.
A service error derails San Sebastian's momentum in Ateneo with a 5-point lead here in the second technical timeout. These are the social media sites na kung saan pwede niyong subaybayan ang inyong mga paboritong teams and your favorite athletes seeing action here in the Collegiate Conference of the Shakey's V-League. A lot of pretty faces, a lot of excellent young athletes trying to bid for the title ng Collegiate Conference champion. Ateneo still ahead by 5.
Oh, service reception error.
Time and again, coaches always emphasize staying low, trying to go for that proper defensive stance para mas madaling magbalik. And of course, yung tamang positioning sa kanilang coverage, sa kanilang tangka na makapag-receive ng maayos. Ateneo's Joanna Maraginot leading the way in scoring for the Lady Eagles for the second consecutive game. The Victoria setting up Ahumiro. Ball safely in. Back set. Cross court. Good dig by Ahumiro. Deep. Eroa able to contain. Oops.
Oh, nako.
Nalunod si Arabe ron.
Oh, timing. That's why for middle hit or center spikers, importante talaga yung timing.
Babalasa muna si Coach Parley Tupas. Guillema earlier committing that error para dito sa San Sebastian. Vera Guillema ang ace setter ng Baste. Maraginot once again for Ateneo. 7-point lead for the Lady Eagles. Labiano blocked. 3 ball given up by the Lady Eagles. Guillema to Santa Rita. Checked. Balisa getting that ball in. Oops.
Ooh.
Nice.
Sharp angle for Ahumiro. Ito kanina pinag-uusapan natin si Ahumiro has also played various positions para dito sa Ateneo.
Various positions. Equivalent to no problem for Ami Ahumiro as we listen in to Coach Parley Tupas.
Hanggat maaari, huwag natin i-open si Joyce. Masyadong malaki ito nandito sa dalawa. Ha? Joyce, pag maganda, mag-be quick na.
Sige po, palabas ka.
Ready ka doon, ikaw ang safety doon. Ikaw ang pinaka-opener doon sa
Pwede
likod.
naman lumabas
Yan.
na tapos...
Tsagayin nyo. Okay lang, nabablock tayo, nakakoverage naman eh. Yan, tsagayin nyo lang. Isa-isayin nyo lang.
Trying to stop the juggernaut. Yan ang ginawa ni Coach Parley Tupas. At kung kanina, nakadiin siya. Ngayon naman, simpleng paalala as Ahumiro rises to the occasion ng Giseltan, also showing us that she is a force to reckon with in terms of being an ace setter for Ateneo.
Tignan natin kung gagawin itong San Sebastian ang bili ni Coach Clint.
Ultra fast LTE for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999. 1 against 2, no problem for Baste. Able to elude yung dalawang blockers. Nalansi yung dalawang defenders doon, Ann. Alam mo, ang nakita ko doon sa pagdaos natin ng mga international events, yung transfer of technology na nakita ko. Before that event na nakita natin in the last 6 or 8 months, yung rotation ng mga coaches maninipis.
Oo.
Diba? Kadalasan, 6-8 max. Pero ngayon,
They try to really
Yes.
use their... And maganda yan, no? As we saw that miscommunication itong error mula sa side ng Ateneo, maganda rin yun na nababalasa mo.
at yung development.
Oo.
Dati talaga very tight, diba? Minsan talaga solid.
Yes.
7 lang eh.
That's why, kaya ang hirap din doon pag huhugot ka, ang laki ng pressure doon sa 7th
Yes.
man mo eh. But now, you give them that time, exposure.
Correct. And when we talk about development, it's always important for the players to feel that they're not only a part of the team, but yung laro. Iba kasi yung ensayo.
Oo.
Alam mo yan, iba yung
Yes.
laro. Mikasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. San Sebastian biting right now, down 19-11. Now only behind by 5 at 19-14.
I think also, no, yung isa pang maganda ngayon, dahil ang dami na ring liga, ang dami
Yes,
ng
tuloy-tuloy.
tuloy-tuloy eh. So the exposure really for the players, even your second stringers nando doon talaga.
Si
Hindi
Ivy
katulad natin.
naglalaro pa.
Oo. Basta pwede pa.
Pwede
Basta walang
pa.
sumasakit sa katawan.
Antay ko si Ann.
Kung hindi lang ako nanganak eh.
Tapos na.
Oo nga.
Ateneo ahead by 6. Earlier, San Sebastian was breathing down the necks of the Ateneo Lady Eagles. Ahumiro gathering. Labiano with the counter. Oh, nice.
It was a good block from Ateneo. Yun naman ang sinasabi rin ni Coach Clint. Ano? Huwag kayong matakot pumalo. But in that case, kinulang lang ng coverage.
Double block working wonders. Ami Ahumiro closing the door on Julina Labiano. Mukhang crowd favorite ang papasok.
Oo, Gaston.
Gaston. Pauline Gaston. If you have time to join us here at the Philoy Flying V Arena, ang ating mga playdates po sa Shakey's V-League, Saturdays and Sundays. Gawin niyo po kami kasama ng inyong family day. At for sure, hindi po kayo mabibigot, matutuwa kayo. Hindi lang sa dami ng manonood, kundi rin sa quality ng mga larong inyong makikita. Excellent athletes, top teams in the country, at ang ating mga collegiate teams nagpre-prepara sa kanilang mga padating na season sa UAAP maging sa NCAA. 21-15 still for Ateneo. Good reception coming from La Victoria.
Oh.
Oh, nice angle. Good misdirection para dito sa Ateneo, courtesy of Kim Gekiliana. Tingin sa kanan, follow down the line. Aba. Akala ko si Alaisa lang ang merong ganyan.
Talagang Ateneo, of course,
Oo.
crowd favorite.
Pauline Gaston committing that service error. At tignan mo yung reaction ng mga teammates niya. Oo. Pwede, parang may backup crew doon sa likod. 22 for Ateneo, 16 for Baste. Labiano with the serve earlier. Tan serving Madaya with a running hit.
And now you see Tan, no, really making her attackers move. Hindi lang iisang direksyon
May
na binibigyan,
variation,
no?
ano?
Meron sa harap, meron sa likod.
And being a setter means you have to have that capacity and ability to read the defense.
Yes.
Sinong minamarkahan, pakikilusin mo at babasagin mo yung setup sa blocking defense ng kalaban.
It's all about calling the plays. Yan ang trabaho ng setter.
And it's all about staying on top of the situation. Kumbaga, ikaw ang hari.
Oo. Kaya kailangan ng setters composed palagi yan eh.
Composed, makumpiyansa. And even if at times they are the smallest player sa kanilang lineup, they have to be in charge. Dinaan ni Sinamban sa side ni Giseltan. May coverage naman sa likod. Courtesy ni Gikiliana, pero hindi nakapasok for Ateneo.
Ateneo right now just needs one more point to close this first set.
8 set points earlier for the white shirts of the Lady Eagles. La Victoria with a good service reception. Maraguinot will close out the first set. And Ateneo runs away with the first set win at 25-17. Laban dito sa San Sebastian Lady Stags. At ito yung huling palo ni Maraguinot, ang ating Shakey's shake and play. Ateneo was challenged late in the first set, but eventually Maraguinot and company able to elude the fight back of San Sebastian.